So for those of you that are the least bit curious, this is what I'm fucking doing today. I'm messing around with an IR receiver, an IR transmitter, a whole bunch of coding. Oh. Let's see if we can. This is the code I'm working on right now. Basically what it's doing, it's taking the IR receiver from this fucking remote for this TV, and it's getting the fucking signal. For fuck's sake. I hate this wheel for this simple reason. Yeah. And then I'm making a catalog of the codes. It's like, next one is aspect. Nice stick shot, yeah. Okay. Aspect. Aspect. Receiver. Code. Yeah. There we go. And that's the code for that button. That one. Alright, so I'm a fucking dipshit. This is second or third or whatever fuck time trying to record this in one shot because I don't want to fucking edit it together, and I'm about ready to just say fucking and do it the right fucking way. But fuck you, I'm too lazy. So, this TV has problems with it, so I'm not going to invest the couple bucks it is to get new batteries for its remote. This TV likes to randomly turn off and turn back on, and it fucks with shit while I'm doing shit. Pisses me off. Need a new TV. Oh well. Batteries for the remote for this TV died. So I stole some batteries from this TV's remote, put them in it, used that IR receiver there with the Arduino Mega to read the recordings, the fucking codes, whatever. You know what I'm fucking saying. It's late. Built that little circuit board with a IR LED. Wrote up some code for it. Some basic bitch code. Using, yeah, let's pull up the website. This like instructional thing, and see, yeah, that dude's library, the IR remote library by Ken Sheriff or whatever the fuck. Tried using it on the Mega, didn't work. Wrote some basic bitch code to see if it did work. To test to see if the button was working, to see if the LED was working. Both things were working. Until I fucking actually paid attention and read, and the pinout on that board and the Arduino Uno are different for pin 3. And apparently whatever the Uno has for pin 3 that it uses is what you need. It's like the PWM or some other bullshit. Let me grab this and show you what it does. Very fucking simple. Turns it off. Turns it back on. It's kind of hard to hold it and do it right now because it's just, you know, basic piece of shit. But eventually I want more of those to turn on these two TVs and be controlled by other shit. So if anyone knows how to... where's my mouse? There it is. Constantly fucking with this damn thing. If anyone knows which one of these I need to edit to change the pinout of it, that'd be great. because I want to be able to use multiples of these, and I also would like to probably use an Arduino Mega, be able to use different boards. If anyone has any more information, because I've read through all their crap and I can't figure out what part of the pinout it needs, which I think I did download PDFs for that. Yeah. Oh, for fuck's sake. Alright, well, fuck that. I ain't gonna try and pull up those pinups right now, because Windows is a cunt. Okay, so an update to my one take. I originally got it to work off the Uno, and I was trying to figure out how to get it to work off the Mega. So I downloaded a program called VS Code Reader thing. Stop it, for fuck's sake. And up here it says, uncomment the board timer which you wish to use on your board. Well, if you come down... Oh, these are photos in a chat group, so... Come down here, else it says use timer 2. That's if all that shit out there, and I know that that worked. So I came, looked at this one, saw, oh wait, that same timer is used on this board that I have. It says use pin 9. So I moved it to pin 9 on the board. Down there. And now it works. So, yeah. Got it to work, and I'm probably gonna fuck around with this a little bit, try out a couple different LEDs, because if the way I'm thinking, if I can unlock those timers, and those are different LEDs, with the Mega that gives me, what, 5 LEDs, that gives me 5 TVs I could turn on, or 5 IR LEDs I could use. Because the way I want to do this, instead of having a remote, I want the IR LED pretty much mounted in front of the sensor with like a piece of tape or something classier. I don't fucking know. Temporary is best for me right now, because I'm not at a forever place where I'm going to be staying for years on end. Maybe a year or two, maybe more, all depends. That's besides the point. I want things to be temporary and be able to be taken apart. I don't want permanent things to where I have to break something on the TV or whatever if I want to move, rearrange, paint, whatever. So, that's what I'm going to try and do. My thought process on this is, if I unlock those pins, will it send all the same signal to all those pins at the same time? Or will I be able to address 1, 2, 3, whatever, timer 1, timer 2, timer 3, timer 4, timer 5? And how will I be able to do that? Because if I can address each one of those individually, I won't be flashing in front of each TV. Because let's say I have 2 similar TVs and I want one TV to do something different than the other. Like I want one TV to switch between one computer or the other. I don't want both TVs doing that, I just want the one. So if I have 2 of the same style TVs, you can see where the problem could get into. If I unlock all those and they all flash the same. It could also be just easily solved by getting different style TVs with different codes, but that'd probably be even more hassle than just trying to figure out how to code this right.